Welcome, students, learners, viewers, to this presentation on a tourist map of the Pune city. This map was shared with me by a student of mine who did his training with Hotel Westin Pune, and I think this map was shared with him uh, by this hotel. So I would like you to appreciate the importance of a city map, learning about it, keeping the most updated copy of your local city map in the city in which you are working, so that as a front office employee and even as a trainee in a hotel, you are able to be of service to your guests and also to your seniors. Let me just first show the pages to you one by one. These are, in fact, all the important locations in Pune city and where they can be found on the map. And then this is one of the pages describing, I think, the famous restaurants, cafes. This, I think, could be the jewelry shop. Handicrafts, art. Again, something about a cafe. Let's move on to new next page. This is around East Pune city. The famous restaurants and bars in Pune. What to do in your leisure time. This is, I think, for children. Amusement park. So theme park, as you can see in the map. Restaurants, Italian restaurant, a brasserie. So I think this page is more about the famous dining outlets in Pune. This page is for, I think, West Pune. About food here. Then the shopping areas, the famous mall, multiplex, movie theater, museums, auditorium, cricket museum. I think I just noticed a picture of Virat Kohli, the Indian cricket team's captain, the superstar of Indian cricket team. This, I think, is shopping area maybe. Okay. Details are not there. Let's see if we have Any more pages we have? So I think this page contains the famous places to visit in Pune. The map, the directions. The history of city also. Under the British, Pune became the monsoon capital. Osho is Rajneesh, who was very popular, who is still very popular. Maybe this map was designed by this company. And these are suggestions for the tourists visiting a hotel, what they can do in their leisure time. Golf course is there. Then there's something about a company which makes beer in Pune. Pune is close to Nasik and it also grows grapes. These are places close to Pune. Lonavala, Khandala. Let us see if we have any more page. No. Now we are back to this first map. The purpose of making this video is to make you realize that local knowledge, detailed local knowledge, precise local knowledge is very essential for anybody who wishes to make a career in front office. A reason: guests come to a hotel for accommodation. They do not come to hotel as a destination. The destination is the city always. So the purpose of travel could be either business or leisure. Except for those people who are a frequent visitor to that city, others do require assistance, and that is why we must be ready with as much details as possible regarding our city and also areas around our city, about our state, region, and also about our country. The more information we have, less the customer has to search for it. And I think all of us now realize the difficulty we all face in searching for information. Google has made life very easy, but even then, like searching for too many bits of information is time taking, tiring, and unfortunately, with time, people are getting more and more impatient, more and more restless. So, if somebody can provide quick information, reliable information on time to anyone, then he is a valuable source, and people just love that employee, respect that employee. So, in this video, I'll stop here and just a reminder once again that whichever city you choose to work in, wherever you build your career, you must develop an interest in that city and also the attractions of that city. Finally, before I actually close, there is a concept called tourist traps. Tourist traps are bad places, simply speaking. They either overcharge or they cheat or they harass the tourists. But most frequently, the tourist traps are places where tourists are cheated in terms of overpricing and supplying with fake, counterfeit goods. As a responsible hotelier, it's our responsibility to warn our guests against such traps in our city, and also the difficult areas in our city where which is more crime prone. So we must advise our tourists where to go, where not to go, what to do, what not to do, what dress to wear, what to say, what not to say. And we also need to keep our finger on the pulse of the city, the political pulse, the economic pulse, the religious pulse, the social pulse, and be alert 24 hours so that every time a customer says, is it the right time to go somewhere? You should have a correct answer. You should have the right answer. Somebody's life may depend on your response. So, knowing about your city around your hotel is a great responsibility, and I don't think anybody should ignore that responsibility. Thank you very much for this, your attention and your time to watch this video. I hope this exercise was useful. If you have any questions, any doubts, any feedback also, please respond through the comment section of this video. Have a pleasant day, have a great day, and have a fantastic career.